Hi, this is Astha Tripathi from Efficient Manufacturing Magazine, and today we are here at Semicon India 2025, which is happening in Yashobhoomi from 2nd September to 4th. Follow along to see what's happening in semiconductor industry in India and across globe. Thank you.
So, can you please tell us about your company?
Okay, so we manufacture orbital welding machines. These are welding machines, orbital welding machines, which are specifically used in pipeline industries such as pharmaceutical industry, food and dairy, nuclear and aerospace industries. So there you have these pipelines or tubings for which you need welding, and it is compulsory to use only orbital welding. So we manufacture that, and we are the only Indian manufacturers of orbital welding.
So, in India, how much branches you have in state?
So we work from Pune itself, and we provide service all over India as well as globally from Pune itself. Yeah.
So, can you tell us your product quality that make different from others' products?
Okay. So what sets us apart is first of all, we are the only Indian manufacturers of orbital welding machines, and we provide customized solution to every industry as per their requirement. So if a customer asks us about a particular requirement that they have, which can be applied in orbital welding or which may not be applied, but we can provide them a customized solution as per their requirement. And we have our R&D team, and we provide them R&D support throughout, as well as we also provide them proper service support as well.
So, can you tell what is your vision in future for grow up your company?
So our vision is to launch more and more products in orbital welding as well as in other welding fields as well. That is our main aim, and we are trying to help every industry that can also go for higher thickness tubes. So what we deal with right now is for 3 mm tubes, and it's welding. So we are planning to deal with products that are that have thickness higher than 3 mm. So these kind of tubings or they are called pipes, and they are particularly used in oil and gas industry and such industries. So we are aiming to also go and produce more and more products in that industry to help that industry.
So, last question is that if anyone want to come in this field, start their business, what advice you should give them?
Okay, so my advice to any new startup or any company would be, entrepreneur will be to look for a vision to develop more and more products, and be more innovative and find more solutions, and be open to changes. Basically, be adaptive and open to the changes in the industries, because industry is progressing so fast that we have to capture them, and we have to be contemporary with whatever is going on. So yes, I would say you have to be very adaptive in the industry, and you have to just believe in yourself.
One more last question that this program help you in your company's growth?
Yeah, definitely. So this is exhibition, Semicon 2025 exhibition. So it helped us in getting more and more customers first of all, and it also helped us into understanding the requirement of this industry.